Môre julle, it's again a lovely day here in Cape Town. We're gonna go for a drive. And the new car looks a lot wider than the old car. But it's a lot lower. And it looks like it's longer. I know, I parked in a way so it looks longer. Maybe they're the same length. So, let's take this one for a little drive.
I wonder if this has...
So, no seatbelts.
No seat, I was about to, okay.
It wasn't invented yet.
Oh, I see. It's a very comfy car. So can you tell me about this car? What's the history and why are you trying to get rid of it? Where are we going? What is up?
We're just taking it for a run around the block. I must maybe put petrol. I don't trust this petrol gauge. It feels like it's more I drive, the fuller the tank gets. I think the wires are wrong, swapped around maybe. So I just want to stop at the garage and take it for just it needs to run every now and then. For just to keep everything moving, you know. Anything idles rots away. So my dad bought this car in the 60s on a repossessed auction. Drove it for a couple of years, but it needed some work, and he wanted to make it a hot rod. Never happens. Yes, so we got sidetracked and I never got to finish my story. So basically my dad wanted to build a rat rod and it never happened, and the car just stood in storage for eternity, or at least my whole life. And he passed away in 21, COVID. I took it out of all the pieces you've seen in my previous videos, and we restored it to what it is today. But before we continue, just let's hear from our sponsors quickly. But yeah, you know guys, I enjoy driving cars more than fixing them. And that car drives so much nicer than this. 100 years makes a big difference. Branding obviously as well. But life goes on, and next minute my cat goes missing. So watch the shit I had to go through. So our government wants to take land, but this is what they do to it. Whole block of flats in the heart of Sea Point, empty, dilapidated, no windows, doors are bad, everything is bad. Back of that building, I can't get in. They at least close it up so batteries can't get in. But really, this is what our government does to buildings that they own. This is owned by the SABC. Okay guys, so this is this dilapidated building, abandoned building here in Sea Point. I'm not sure what it it's all about. It used to, or it still belongs to the SABC, but my cat is inside here somewhere, and it's fucking difficult to get him out. He just doesn't want to come. But yeah, the floor is a little bit bouncy. You can see there's like holes in the floor. Very abandoned, but yeah. Jerry! This one still looks fairly decent. Not. And then there's another hole. I'm not sure whether he's in this one or in the next one. I'll show you the next one. Today he ran into here. That's quite a nice drawing. Better than what I can do. And then there's obviously stairs going up, which Jerry could have gone up easily, but it's wood and I'm a bit scared, eh? Just now this thing collapsed underneath me and then I'm fucked. It feels solid. Jerry! You guys. It feels solid. I need something stronger than a cigarette for this shit. If I scream like a little kid, hope it makes for good content. Jerry! I mean, that feels bad. That feels okay. It seems fairly dry in here. Jerry! Oh God. So many places he could be. Another hole in the floor. Jerry! There you can go into, oh. This is going to be impossible to find him. There's a little exit, and that goes on to the other places. But yeah, these steps feels very fucking dodge, like they're gonna break underneath me. I don't know how long this building's been abandoned, but I don't know if Jerry is still inside of this flat. I don't hear him. Okay, so he ran into this flat today. Don't see him that side, I don't see him this side. Fuck, I got a fright for that. There's the camera threw a shadow there. But I mean, that's just one apartment. This is next door. Jerry! Jerry, Jerry. So, I mean, he's not even meowing back. I don't know where the fuck he can be. Let's just fucking mission through here. I must stop swearing like this. So I brought him some food, and there's some catnip in the box. So initially, okay, so we went into that one now, and you can see how many apartments are here. And initially he used to go only into this one here. Let's go in there and show you where he was hiding. So there's a big fucking hole in the floor there. And last time he was hiding in here, but I think he's now explored more and can hide fucking anywhere. You see the same setup here, where there's a stairs going up. Jerry, Jerry. Jerry, Jerry. He's not mowing back or fucking responding. I don't know. In any case, guys, I'm gonna go back home, watch a bit of TV, and come again in about 2 hours. This is my weekend, looking for my freaking cat. Jerry, Jerry, Jerry. Like what it's to say it.
What did you want to say?
I forgot. Yeah, so I managed to get the car to this condition, and now I'm trying to sell it. This is a cold start.